Hi, friends. Look at these super cute bunny tulip pots. Aren't they adorable? You can easily turn them into charming keychains or sweet little desk decors. Best of all, they're super beginner friendly. Plus, if you're looking to start your own handmade business, these cuties are total bestsellers. Grab your hook, get cozy, and let's craft them together. For the materials, you'll need 5-ply milk cotton yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, fiberfill stuffing, 6mm safety eyes, and other standard supplies shown on the screen. I've included links to similar items in the description below if you'd like to check them out. Here's a quick guide to the crochet abbreviations used in this video. Feel free to pause and take a look before we move on. For the bunny pot, we'll be using brown yarn. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Chain 1. And work 7 single crochet into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, gently pull the tail to tighten the magic ring. Then, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet to join the round. Before starting round 2, chain 1. From now on, we'll start each new round with a chain 1, and finish with a slip stitch into the first stitch to join. I won't repeat this every time, so let's keep it as our standard rule. In the first stitch, work 2 single crochet into the same stitch, which is also called an increase. Feel free to use a stitch marker on this first stitch so you don't lose your spot. In the next stitch, make an increase. And in every stitch, continue making increases all the way to the end of the round. For round 3. In the first stitch, work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 increase. Then, repeat the pattern of 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this all the way to the end of the round. For round 4. In the first stitch, work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 increase. In the following stitch, work 1 single crochet. Next, repeat the pattern of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. Repeat this sequence to the end of the round. For round 5, in the first 3 stitches, work 1 single crochet in each. 1, 2, 3. Then, in the next stitch, make 1 increase. Repeat the pattern of 3 single crochet and 1 increase. Continue repeating this to the end of the round. From round 6 through round 11, which is 6 rounds in total, work 1 single crochet in each stitch. I'll see you back once we finish round 11. Once you finish round 11, the piece will look taller like this. Measuring the base, it's almost 5 centimeters wide. Now, cut a round piece of cardboard. The same size as the base or just slightly smaller. Place it inside the bottom. To make the base sturdy, then press the cardboard piece in place. For round 12, we will work in the back loops only. In the first 3 stitches, work 1 single crochet in each. 1, 2, 3. Then, work a decrease stitch. Now, repeat the pattern of 3 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat this sequence all the way to the end of the round. For round 13, in the first stitch, work 1 single crochet. Next, make a decrease. In the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. Then, repeat the pattern of 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and 1 single crochet. Repeat this to the end of the round. For round 14, in the first stitch, work 1 single crochet. Next, make a decrease. Now, repeat the pattern of 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat to the end of the round. After completing round 14, stuff the pot with a small amount of fiberfill. Round 15 is our final round. We will decrease all the way across, making 7 decreases in total. Once round 15 is finished, pull the yarn through and fasten off. Use a tapestry needle to weave in and hide the yarn end. For the bunny ears, start with a magic ring and work 5 single crochet into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now pull the ring tight. Make a slip stitch to join the round. For round 2. In the first stitch, work an increase, which means 2 single crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, work 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Then repeat this pattern all the way to the end of the round. For round 3, work 1 single crochet in each stitch, and continue all the way to the end of the round. For rounds 4 and 5, repeat round 3 by working 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way to the end of the round. For round 6. In the first stitch, work 1 single crochet. Next, work a decrease. Then make 3 more decreases. One. 2. 3. Now we have 1 stitch remaining. Work 1 single crochet in this last stitch. Slip stitch to join the round, and fasten off. Make another ear following the same steps. We'll glue them onto the head like this. Attach the safety eyes on round 8, placing them 4 stitches apart. And here, we will embroider the nose. I'm using faux pearl beads and using glue to attach them for extra detail. For the flower, I'll demonstrate using yellow yarn. You'll also need a small piece of floral wire like this. For round 1, start with a magic ring. And work 6 single crochet into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the ring closed, then slip stitch to join the round. For round 2. In the first stitch, work 2 single crochet in the same stitch, also known as an increase. In the next stitch, work an increase. And continue working 1 increase in each stitch all the way to the end of the round. For round 3, in the first stitch, work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, work an increase. Now, repeat the pattern of 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat this sequence to the end of the round. For round 4, in the first stitch, work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern of 1 single crochet in each stitch, all the way to the end of the round. From round 5 through round 8, repeat the same stitch pattern as round 4. After finishing round 8, cut the yarn and fasten off. Once the yarn is cut, stuff a small amount of fiberfill inside. Then we'll sew the top to shape the tulip flower. Insert the wire stem into the base and apply a little hot glue to secure it. And that's it. We've completed this adorable bunny tulip pot together. Thank you so much for watching and crafting with me today. Happy crocheting! I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye.